Welcome back to the Excel Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. In today's video, we'll cover how to enter data into Excel cells and then format it to make it easier to read and more visually appealing. Let's start by entering some data. We'll use a small table of products and prices as an example. Click into a cell, type your text or numbers, and then press Enter or Tab to move to the next cell. Enter a sample table. A1, product, header. B1, price, header. A2, laptop. A3, mouse. A4, keyboard. B2, 1000. B3, 25. B4, 50. Notice how Excel aligns text to the left and numbers to the right. You can enter text, numbers, dates, or even formulas into any cell. Next, let's format our headers to make them stand out. Select the product and price headers, then go to the Home tab and click on Bold. You can also increase the font size to make it easier to read. Borders are a great way to visually separate your data. To add borders, select all the cells in our table, go to the Home tab, and click on the Borders icon. Choose all borders to create a complete outline around each cell. Adding color can make your data more engaging. Let's highlight our headers with a light background color. Select the headers, go to the Fill Color option, and pick a light color, like light blue or green. Now, let's make our price data more readable by formatting it as currency. Select the price cells, then go to the Number Format drop-down in the Home tab and select Currency. This automatically adds the currency symbol. Finally, let's adjust the column width to make sure all text fits properly. You can double-click the right edge of a column heading to AutoFit or drag it manually to adjust. Great work! You've entered and formatted data in Excel, using bold text, borders, color, and currency formatting. In our next video, we'll cover working with basic formulas, so keep practicing, and see you next time.